So another experiment. I got this water bottle from Walmart, and you know, it caught my eye, right? Isn't it so pretty? It said Hawaii, right? Volcanic. So of course, me not having drank bottled water for some 4 years, ever since I got my Kangen water ionizer, I picked up the bottle and I read the label. Something I never used to do before I got exposed to this water technology, because I was pretty ignorant to what was in my water. I grabbed it for convenience, yeah. And so I looked at this label and it says Hawaii Volcanic Natural Alkaline Premium Artesian Water. It even has over here on the top a pH of 7.8 to 8.4. Okay, so they're advertising this as alkaline water. Pretty much the craze of today, right? To everyone who's health conscious, right? And so when I turned the label over, oh, I was shocked. It's like they even have home delivery if you really want it. But the label said, you know, water is life. We all know that, right? Without water, we cannot survive. You know, we can survive 40 days without food, but only 3 days without water. And so the label says, you know, this precious lava filtered vai, or water in Hawaiian, comes from an ancient, pristine, and abundant aquifer deep within the sacred Mauna Loa volcano on the island of Hawaii. Okay, so right now, you know, we are on the top of the Mauna, trying to protect it from a telescope. Yet, this is, I believe, sourced from Kea'au Big Island, okay, by a company within the islands, okay. They're taking water from our volcanic aquifers and putting it in bottles like this, pretty, eye-catching, right, on the shelves, for us to pay money for convenience, okay? Because tap water is not supposed to be good for us, right? But anyway, so I needed to test this, right? Because it was close to home, right? Hawaii. And it was from volcanic aquifers, right? And so this test today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to test the alkalinity, right? To see if in fact it's 7.8. But I'm also going to compare it to the alkalinity of the Kangen water from my water ionizer. And I'm going to show you how chemicals that are added to water, yeah, can make the water appear alkaline. So anybody can make alkaline water, but alkalized, with a Z, alkalized water can only be created through the source, with the source of electricity, okay? So our Kangen water ionizer that sits here on my kitchen shelf takes water in from my faucet, from my tap, cleans and sanitizes it, removes the chlorine and sediments. It goes through the machine and is charged electrically, okay? There are 8 titanium plates dipped in platinum, medical grade titanium dipped in platinum. When the water goes through the machine, electricity charges those plates, and the water that comes out of my tap is split into 2 waters. There's 2 hoses on the machine. The top water, or the top water hose, alkaline water comes on the top. The bottom hose is acidic. So it spits my water into alkaline water and acidic water. Alkaline water I can drink, I can clean with. Acidic water I can sanitize and clean with, okay? And so what's the difference between chemically induced alkaline water and electrically charged alkalized water? Is the stability of the water, okay? It's the stability. And what I mean by that is, watch, okay? This is the Hawaii volcanic water in the pretty bottle. I paid about 88 cents for this, okay? I can make from my Kangen machine, 6 cents a liter for the cost. So in here is my 9.5 pH alkaline water. Okay, so a little bit higher than this. Maybe I should put the, what does this one say? 8.4. Okay, you know what? I'll turn my machine on and I'll put the 8.4 pH instead, 8.5 pH instead in this cup, okay? Just to see if, you know, both of them are close in pH, like it says on the bottle. So, as you can see on the setting, this is 8.5, 9.5, and 9.0 pH. Kind of dark in here. So anyways, okay. So this is from the Kangen machine. This is from the water bottle. My pH drops. Okay. Blue, like turquoise, blue. Okay, so if we want to just look at the color, yellow is acidic, blue and purples are alkaline. We say that this is, you know, kind of neutral, kind of alkaline, little past neutral, right? Now, when the water is exposed to air, right? Or in this case, I'm going to show you by blowing into this, the carbon dioxide, right? So air, you know, like when you cut an apple open and you leave it out in the air and it starts to turn brown, that's called oxidation, right? So this is supposed to be alkaline. This is supposed to be alkaline. What I want to show you is if I blow into the cup, let's see which alkaline water is more stable. Okay, stable meaning will carry its, you know, pH value longer than the other. Okay, so actually this cup has a little less, so let's try and make it even. Okay, so I'm gonna blow in this cup first. Oh my gosh, that wasn't like even 5 seconds. It just went from alkaline to acidic with less than 5 seconds of me blowing into this. Okay, bottled alkaline water, alkalized water, pH alkaline made through electricity. Okay, watch. You can count. I mean, you saw how short that was I blew, okay? I'll blow at the same pressure, watch. Still green. Okay, now it's about the same color. Okay, so my carbon dioxide has oxidized the water. Okay, but you notice how stable this one was, kept the pH much longer than this chemically induced alkaline water compared to electrically charged alkalized water. Okay, so what I want you to see is, okay, so let's say we're drinking bottled water and over time it's acidic on our body, right? I can go to my Kangen machine, I can get my alkaline water, and when I put the proper water into my body, acidic, right? The foods, the things I drink, my acidic body can turn alkaline again. Okay? My acidic body can go back to alkaline. You see that? So, I mean, we cannot avoid acidity. We cannot avoid oxidation. You know, it's in our food, it's in our air, it's in the things that we consume and drink. But what we can do is we can make a choice, right, to choose the water that's better for us than convenience. Okay, it's all about education, guys. It's all about education. So if you're interested in trying and learning more about this water, just message me. I give out free samples. Try it for 2 weeks. Learn about the machine and its technology and the properties of water along the way. And you know, I don't force anyone to buy, but if you choose that's what you want for your family, clean, healthy, alkalized water that, you know, will keep you young and help your body absorb the water properly and, you know, get your body to be able to heal itself, then Enagic Kangen water is the water for you. Okay? Thanks for watching.